So a lot of recycled material products are not created equal because of a number of reasons. A lot of countries subsidize their manufacturing and it puts the American companies at a disadvantage.
So when it comes to products being subsidized, what that means is that, a government, whether it be a provincial government or a state government or a federal government from a foreign country, they decide that they have an excess amount of material, raw material in their country's home market. So they decide that they will give tax breaks to these foreign competitors, and those tax breaks can come in the form of processing raw material, manufacturing raw material, and most importantly, exporting raw material to America, which then in turn turns those products into an unfair price, dumping those products into America.
RubberForm has never been subsidized. We do not want to be subsidized. We don't want any incentives. We want to be on an even playing field, and competition is good.
The subsidies in those markets abroad really damage the American industry and American markets from being able to innovate by using those recycled materials.
RubberForm has been fighting this for 20 years. And we're one of the only companies in the United States that manufacture these type products because of this unfair subsidies from Canada. Every single company that we used to compete against in the parking lot and road safety market were put out of business because of these Canadian companies. Not a lot of customers know that. So please support American-made products and don't buy these subsidized products from foreign lands, especially the ones across the border in Canada. You look at the number of scrap tires generated in America. 325 million tires get generated every single year in America. And there's not a company like RubberForm that manufactures these type products. There's other companies that utilize scrap tire rubber, but not the kind of products that RubberForm makes, like our speed cushions and our speed bumps and our wheel stops. Those products, we're the only company in America that does this. Everything else you see in catalogs and online are from China and or Canada. We have to innovate more uses of the scrap tire rubber and also scrap plastic. We've really developed a way to combine recycled tire rubber along with scrap plastic, and we have now been able to injection mold this. That becomes a nice repeatable process along with a less intensive manufacturing, labor-intensive process like our compression molding. We're one of the most innovative companies in the United States that make these safety, risk mitigation, and compliance products for our four verticals: parking lot and road safety, industrial plant safety, construction site safety, and public sector. And really, we are the last and the only company in the United States that make speed cushions and speed tables that you see on municipal streets. So please, buy American-made and buy recycled material products here in the United States and not from subsidized nations.